IRDAI, that is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDAI is an autonomous statutory agency which is a regulator of insurance and reinsurance industries in India. This is the logo of IRDAI. Establishment. IRDA Act was passed upon the recommendations of Malhotra Committee report on 7 June 1994. This committee was headed by Mr. R. N. Malhotra, who was retired governor of RBI. IRDAI was constituted by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act 1999, which is an act of parliament passed by the Government of India. The main recommendations of this act was entrance of private sector companies, because earlier to it only public sector companies was playing in this market, and foreign promoters, and an independent regulatory authority for insurance sector in India. IRDAI came into existence on 19th April 2000 as a statutory body with its headquarters at New Delhi. But in 2001, the headquarters was shifted to Hyderabad, Telangana. Organizational structure of IRDAI is a 10-member body which comprises of one chairman who is appointed for 5 years, 5 whole-time members for 5 years, and 4 part-time members who is appointed not more than 5 years. The chairman and members of IRDAI are appointed by Government of India. Objectives of IRDAI. First one, to promote the interest and rights of policyholders. Second, to promote and ensure the growth of insurance industry. Next, to ensure speedy settlement of genuine claims and to prevent frauds and malpractices. Next, to bring transparency in dealing with insurance. Functions and duties of IRDAI. Section 14 of IRDA Act 1999 lays down the duties and functions of IRDA. First function is it issues the registration certificates to insurance companies and regulates them. It protects the interest of policyholders. It provides license to insurance intermediaries such as agents and brokers after specifying the required qualifications and set norms, code of conduct for them. It promotes and regulates the professional organizations related with the insurance business to promote efficiency in insurance sector. It regulates and supervises the premium rates and terms of insurance covers. It specifies the conditions and manners according to which the insurance companies and other intermediaries have to make their financial reports. It regulates the investment of policyholders' funds by insurance companies. It also ensures the maintenance of solvency margin by insurance companies. Solvency margin means companies' ability to pay out claims. The IRDAI attempted to raise the foreign direct investment (FDI) limit in the insurance sector to 49% from its current 26%. IRDAI celebrated its formation day as Insurance Awareness Day on 19th April. Worldwide Insurance Awareness Day is celebrated on 28th June. Thank you for watching the video. If you